Good morning, students. In behalf of online classes, we are discussing polynomials. So now we are discussing exercise 3.3. First one, already I explained two problems of first bit. Again, one more problem I am going to explain. Remaining two problems you have to do. The two problems are over. What is the concept? We have to find the zeros. Find the zeros of the polynomials and check whether the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of polynomials is satisfying or not. Okay, so first let us find the zeros of the given polynomial. So what is this? This is a quadratic polynomial. Fourth one I am explaining. Let it be p of u. P of u equal to 4u square plus 8u. So we find out zeros. To find the zeros of this polynomial, first let us assume this polynomial is equal to 0 and solve for u. So by taking this polynomial is equal to 0, here observe 4 and 8. 4 is a common factor and here u square u is a common factor. So by taking 4u common, 4 common factor u square, one u taking common, another u is the remaining factor. Here 4 2 is the 8, u is the common factor. Okay, by taking 4u common, here remaining factor is u, 4 2 is the 8, u is a common factor, 2 is the remaining factor. So product of these two values is equal to 0 means either 4u equals 0 or u plus 2 equals 0. So 4u equals 0 means the variable u may be 0. Here u plus 2 equals 0 means transpose this 2 to right hand side. 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. So here 0 comma minus 2 are zeros of the polynomial p of u. Now let us find the sum and product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros. Add these two zeros. 0 plus of minus 2, that is plus minus minus 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Next, let us find minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. What is coefficient of u? 8. Minus 8 by u square coefficient 4. So 4 ones are 4, 2 is 8. Minus 2 by 1 is minus 2. So next, sum of zeros is, see here, sum of zeros value we got minus 2 and minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square we got minus 2. So these two are equal. So sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. Next let us go for product of roots. What is product of roots? Multiply these two roots. 0 into minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now let us check the constant by coefficient of u square. What is constant? There is no constant here. So indirectly the constant is 0. Next, coefficient of u square 4. So constant is 0, coefficient of u square is 4. 0 by something is 0. So observe, product of roots 0, constant by coefficient of u square is 0. So product of roots is equal to constant by coefficient of u square. So the relation between we find out the zeros. Zeros are 0 comma minus 2 and here the relation between the zeros and coefficients is satisfied. So let us go for one more problem. See one more problem. Here, what is the polynomial? 3x square minus x minus 4. So first let us find the zeros. To find the zeros, take this polynomial is equal to 0. Find the factors. So let us solve this by using factorization method. Let us find what are the factors. See what are the factors. To find the factors, what are the steps? First you have to multiply x square coefficient and constant. What is x square coefficient? 3. Constant minus 4. So 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. So select two factors of minus 12. That sum should be x coefficient. What is x coefficient? Minus 1. So to get minus 1, by adding minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. So minus 4 3 is 12. So we are taking these two are factors, but I am writing minus 1 3. So minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1. So writing minus 1x is minus 4x plus 3x. Are you getting? Here I am selecting minus 4 and 3 are the factors. Why? Because if you add that 2, we can get minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. If you multiply minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Okay. So here minus 1x can be written as minus 4x plus 3x. Now from these two terms, take x common. What is the remaining factor here? 3x. By taking x common, what is the remaining factor? Minus 4. Here for these two terms, there is no common factor. Let it be 1 is a common factor. Take 1 common, so 3x minus 4. Now again 3x minus 4 is a common factor. So take 3x minus 4 common, that is x plus 1. What is the remaining factor? X plus 1. So 3x minus 4 equals 0, that is 3x equal to 4. X equal to 3 transposes to x and divides 4 by 3. Next here, x plus 1 equals 0. That 1 transposes to right side, minus 1. So minus 1 comma 4 by 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. Now let us find the relation between the zeros and coefficients. Let us find sum of zeros. Minus 1 plus 4 by 3. What is the LCM? 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 3. Now minus coefficient of u by, here coefficient of x by x square. What is coefficient of x? Minus 1. So minus of minus 1 by coefficient of x square 3. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So here see, these two are equal. So the relation is satisfied. What is that? Sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of u by coefficient of u square. Next, product of the roots. Minus 1 into 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. So that is constant by coefficient of u square. Constant is minus 4. Coefficient of x square is 3. Here also the relation satisfied. Like that you have to check the remaining two problems. Okay. Next let us discuss tomorrow second problem. Second and third. Everybody must learn how to find the factorization. Factorization is very helpful to simplify the polynomials, quadratic polynomials or any problems. So learn how to, in the 8th class also there is very important algebraic expressions. You have to learn from the 8th class algebraic expressions.